Agricultures, item dispensers.
Okay, send this one.
ये पूरा कि नहीं एकदम नहीं बनना चाहिए सभी स्टूडेंट देना Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today we invited Welingkar Institute of Education from Mumbai in their plant, Titan Private Limited, which is based out in Patalganga.
Hi friends, my name is Afreen and I am from January 22 batch, PGDM in health. My specialty is healthcare management, and so today we had planned an industrial visit. This plan was made by Welingkar Institute for all the students from different batches. So the 2-year program, I would like to say that I thought that it would be I would not be able to manage, but I would strongly recommend to enroll for this 2-year PGDM program.
Hi, myself Sandeep. I am from January 23 batch, Welingkar's hybrid module. Today we had come for this industrial visit, and I am actually very glad that I booked this slot and I went through the entire process. It was quite an eye-opener for a lot of things.
Hi everyone, my name is Reema Mishra. I am currently working as a Deputy Manager at HR, and I'm part of Welingkar's. I have enrolled for myself for PGDM, and I'm taking a specialization of human resources. Today I'm going to talk about the industrial visit which is conducted, and we visited 2 companies. One was Camlin and second is Titan Asia. I think it's very important for all of us, especially for working professionals, to after having a hectic schedule in work, you come back to your school life, you come back to your college life, you meet people in industry. So as I talk about my personal experience, I am working as a talent acquisition person. I have never got into so deep of understanding the process because we are the end consumers. So we get to know everything about the process, how it starts, how it ends, everything. And I think I would really like to thank Welingkar for arranging such a wonderful industrial visit.